When you think of Lord of the Rings and Middle-earth, you probably think of New Zealand with this stunning vistas and amazing landscapes. What you don't think of is a major city in the centre of England which is known for heavy industry, and yet that is where Tolkien grew up, and all around is evidence of his inspiration for writing the Lord of the Rings. Take for example on this street, here are the two towers. You've got this one behind me, the waterworks, and further down the street you can just see is Perrott's Folly, which is the second tower. The two towers here in Birmingham. This is the place where Tolkien used to live, and apparently he lived in 9 different homes in Birmingham. So this place really did influence the way that he thought and the way that he wrote. The tower behind me is Old Joe, which is the world's tallest freestanding clock tower. It's 100 meters tall, and it's also thought to be an influence on Tolkien for the towers in the Lord of the Rings books. Here in Moseley Bog, which doesn't sound like a very inviting name, a bog, but this was actually the inspiration for Tolkien when he was writing about the ancient woods in the Lord of the Rings books, and you can see where he might have got his inspiration from.